Hello, it is me, it is I, Mario here, going at it again with some hair. Today I'm going to be split dyeing my hair, purple and blue. I've always been obsessed with colorful tumbler hair, been looking at that stuff up since like middle school, and I always wanted to do my hair like something like that. So I finally got permission to do that, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Yay! Yeah, we're going to be split dyeing our hair right down the middle, purple, blue. And fingers crossed this turns out correctly. I'm gonna probably do a part 2 to this video, but it's gonna be like a separate video. People are so irritating, but I don't want to get it so irritating. Anyways, so I know it looks like I'm about to murder somebody.
I didn't even mean to shoot him. He just caught me by surprise. I got murder on my mind.
So I'm gonna be using Manic Panic. Boo, Panic at the Disco. So I got Manic Panic Purple Haze and Manic Panic Rockabilly Blue. Rockabilly? I don't know. Rockabilly. So yeah, these are the two colors I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna use conditioner to like lighten it up a little bit. But yeah, let's just get started with this video. And I try my best to like cover, you guys will see. I don't think it matters what conditioner I use, but I'm gonna be using this. I have 2 mixing bowls for 2 different colors. I'm not sure how much conditioner to use, but I think that's a generous amount. I don't know if I should put all of it in there, but I'm gonna put all of it in there. And then I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna put all of it in there, like I said. I mean, I probably could save some for next time. But I'm not sure if there's gonna be a next time, so I might as well use all of it. A bit more conditioner to like lighten it up. Honestly, that might be a good color. So this is what it looks like right now. Ooh, that scared me. So that's what the purple haze looks like. This is split dye gang we're talking here. You can't just be like split dyeing unevenly. Oh, this brush is like way too big to be going in here. We're doing this. It's being done. in the closet. Hello, what's up? It is Kamaria. I'm wearing black. Yes. What?
I need to finish my hair.
Go finish it somewhere else. Oh gosh, bro. Okay. Before.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah. Yeah. And some of these. And some of these. Almost there and done.
Shut up, count your calories. I never look good in mom jeans. Wish I was like you, blue-eyed blondie, perfect body.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Clown check.
I see fucking pigs in the abracadabra, boom shakaday. I'm Valentine and I'm back like a vertebrae.
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100%.
Bad bitch, you can't kill me.
My way, or the highway.
Okay, like crisscross applesauce, so baby caress me. I've been doing.
Got me down, roll me up, press me up against your lips. Let me feel your lungs, and breathe me out. Press me up against.
Why she be yelling so much? If I see you in the streets, bitch, your ass is done.